Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Better Homes Designs, the place where we turn architectural dreams into reality. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. A unique dome cabin design refers to a structure based on a geodesic or hemispherical shape, typically constructed using a network of triangles or curved segments. Unlike traditional rectangular housing, these designs prioritize organic flow and structural efficiency. The unique aspect often comes from the creative use of materials, such as transparent panoramic windows, sustainable timber frames, or high-tech fabric membranes, combined with a layout that bridges the gap between indoor comfort and the surrounding natural environment. Essentially, it is a marriage of futuristic geometry and rustic retreat living, offering a 360-degree connection to the world outside while maintaining a cozy, protected interior. Choosing a dome cabin offers several practical and aesthetic advantages that traditional structures simply cannot match. From an architectural standpoint, domes are incredibly strong and resilient. Their shape allows them to withstand heavy snow loads and high winds better than flat-walled buildings. They are also masters of energy efficiency. Because a dome has less surface area than a boxy house of the same volume, there is less exposure to the elements, leading to lower heating and cooling costs. Furthermore, the lack of internal load-bearing walls provides a completely open floor plan, giving you total creative freedom to design an airy, light-filled interior that feels much larger than its actual footprint. To make a dome cabin exterior look truly stunning, you should focus on blending the structure with its environment while adding functional anchor points. Start by building an expansive wooden deck that follows the curve of the dome. This provides a transition zone that grounds the floating appearance of the sphere. Lighting is crucial for evening appeal. Use warm LED string lights or recessed floor lamps along the perimeter to highlight the geometric facets of the shell. Incorporating natural elements like stone pathways, native greenery, or even a small water feature nearby can soften the futuristic look. If your dome features a transparent section, ensure the surrounding landscaping offers a balance of privacy and framed views, perhaps using ornamental grasses or strategically placed privacy screens that match the cabin's material palette. The most successful dome designs rely on a few key elements to achieve that high-end wow factor. First is the integration of a large panoramic window or a skylight at the apex, which invites the sky and forest into the living space. Second, high-quality flooring, such as polished concrete or warm hardwood, helps define the circular space without the need for walls. A third essential element is the addition of luxury outdoor amenities, such as a wood-fired hot tub or a sunken fire pit on the connected deck, which extends the living area outward. Finally, using a minimalist color palette for the exterior shell, like off-white, forest green, or charcoal, allows the unique geometry of the dome to remain the focal point without clashing with the natural colors of the landscape. Now, let's look at the top 10 best unique dome cabin ideas that perfectly illustrate these concepts, inspired by the incredible design's ideas. One, the Forest Observatory. This design features a clean, white geodesic dome perched on a raised wooden platform. The addition of a black sail-style awning and a separate wooden gazebo for a hot tub creates a multifunctional outdoor suite that feels like a private resort in the woods. 2. The Sunset Terrace Dome. A stunning example of evening ambience, this dome uses internal glow to highlight its transparent front. The extensive tiered decking includes a built-in bar area and a hanging swing chair, making it the perfect setup for entertaining during the golden hour. 3. The Tree-Hugging Retreat. Integrated directly into the canopy, this dome features a deck that wraps around existing trees. The elevated walkway and the use of natural light wood for the platform allow the white dome to pop against the lush green forest backdrop. 4. The coastal dune shell. Moving away from the standard sphere, this elongated clamshell design offers a unique aerodynamic silhouette. The wide wooden porch and the central glass doors create a seamless transition for enjoying sweeping hillside or ocean views. 5. The meadow bubble. This aerial view shows a large dome maximized for natural light with an extensive triangular window grid. The addition of a private hot tub corner with white privacy fencing ensures a luxurious soak while maintaining a modern, clean aesthetic. 6. The poolside zenith. Positioned perfectly in front of a rectangular lap pool, this dome glows green from within, reflecting beautifully on the water. It serves as a futuristic pool house or lounge area, proving that domes can look incredibly sophisticated in a manicured backyard setting. 7. The mountain peak lookout. This high-altitude design features a minimalist white dome with a stark red railing for safety and a pop of color. The simple furniture on the deck keeps the focus entirely on the breathtaking mountain range in the distance. 8. The glowing grove. A classic geodesic shape that comes alive at night. The orange interior lighting and curtains create a warm, inviting hearth-like feel, while the rock-lined garden beds at the base help the structure feel permanent and established. 9. The redwood sanctuary. Featuring a darker, copper-toned outer shell, this dome blends perfectly with the shadows of a deep forest. The large deck includes plush seating and an outdoor bathtub, emphasizing the spine the woods concept. 10. The twin sun domes. This setup showcases how two domes can be linked by a shared deck. One serves as a private sleeping quarter with a large bed visible through the window, while the other acts as a living space centered around a luxurious cedar hot tub and a lounging net built into the floor. Unique dome cabins are truly at the forefront of modern getaway architecture. They offer a rare combination of structural strength, thermal efficiency, and an unparalleled aesthetic that captures the imagination. Whether you are looking to build a sustainable off-grid home or a high-end glamping destination, the dome design provides a versatile canvas that works in almost any climate or landscape. By focusing on the right materials and thoughtful exterior transitions, you can create a space that feels both cutting-edge and deeply connected to the natural world. If you enjoyed exploring these incredible dome designs, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Better Homes Designs for more architectural inspiration. We want to hear from you. Which of these 10 designs was your favorite? Would you ever consider living in a dome? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a look at the world's most beautiful homes and gardens.